Why KB5066613 fails to install. This update usually fails due to corrupted Windows Update cache or components, .NET Framework feature disabled in Windows, outdated Servicing Stack Update SSU, pending system corruption SFC DSM errors, conflict with antivirus or third-party optimization tools. Fix KB5066613 .NET Framework 3.5 and 4.8.1 not installing Windows 11 25H2. Step 1. Enable .NET Framework 3.5 and 4.8.1 features manually. 1. Press Windows R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. In Windows features, make sure these are checked. .NET Framework 3.5 includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services 3. Click OK, wait for installation, and restart your PC. 4. After reboot, try Windows Update again. Step 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 1. Go to Settings, System Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. 2. Find Windows Update, click Run. 3. Let it detect and fix issues automatically. 4. Reboot and recheck updates. Step 3. Clear Windows Update cache. 1. Press Windows X, select Terminal, Admin. 2. Run these commands one by one. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Now open Settings, Windows Update, check for updates again. Step 4. Install the update manually, offline installer. 1. Visit the Microsoft Update catalog. Please open your app to see this link. Search for. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Download the correct version, x64 or ARM64. 4. Right-click, Run as administrator to install manually. 5. Restart after installation completes. Step 5. Use DISM and SFC to repair system files. 1. Open command prompt, admin, and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Wait for both scans to complete. This can take 10-15 minutes. 3. Restart and try installing KB5066613 again. Step 6. Reset Windows Update components, advanced script method. If the issue persists, use this advanced reset. 1. Open Notepad, paste the following script. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Save it as resetw.bat. Right-click, run as administrator. 3. Restart PC, run Windows Update again. Step 7. Disable antivirus or third-party optimizers. Temporarily disable antivirus firewall, e.g. Avast, McAfee, etc. Disable Windows Defender's tamper protection temporarily. Settings, privacy and security, Windows security, virus and threat protection, manage settings, turn off tamper protection, then retry the update installation. And Step 8. Reinstall .NET Framework 4.8.1, optional. 1. Download the .NET 4.8.1 offline installer from Microsoft, ht/.net.microsoft.com/download.NET Framework. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Run as administrator. Reboot. Try the update again. After all steps, recheck Windows Update. KB5066613 should now install successfully on Windows 11 25H2.